Hello and welcome to new series on governance in India for civil services. Let's start today's session with rights of minorities. Meaning of minorities. Constitution recognizes religious and linguistic minorities, not defined in Constitution. Religious minorities, national level Muslims, Christians, Sikhs, Buddhists, Parsis, Jains added in 2014. Linguistic minorities, identified state-wise based on mother tongue of a group differing from the state majority. 2. Constitutional rights. Rights of religious and linguistic minorities. 1. Right to conserve language, script, culture, art. 29, 1. 2. No discrimination in admission to state/aided institutions based on religion, race, caste, language, art. 29, 2. 3. Right to establish and administer minority educational institutions, art. 30, 1. 4. Compensation for compulsory acquisition cannot restrict minority rights, art. 30, 1a. 5. No discrimination in granting aid to minority institutions, art. 30, 2. 6. Sikhs allowed to wear and carry kirpans, art. 25, 2. B. Rights of linguistic minorities. 1. President may direct a state to recognize a language if a substantial population demands it, art. 347. 2. Right to submit representations to any authority in any language used in union or state, art. 353. States must provide mother tongue instruction at primary stage for linguistic minorities, art. 350a4. Special Officer for Linguistic Minorities to investigate and report to President, art. 350b3. Legal rights. 1. National Commission for Minority Educational Institutions Act, 2004. Establishment of NCME. Right to establish minority educational institution. Right to seek affiliation to any university. 2. Waqf Act, 1995 protects Waqf properties, establishes Central Waqf Council. Ensures proper administration of waqfs for religious, charitable, and socio-economic upliftment. 3. National Commission for Minorities Act, 1992 gives statutory status to National Commission for Minorities. Monitors constitutional/legal safeguards, addresses complaints of deprivation of minority rights. 4. Consensual safeguards, non-constitutional, teaching through minority languages at secondary level. Translation and publication of important government documents into languages spoken by greater than or equal to 15% at district/sub-district level. No compulsory knowledge of state's official language at recruitment stage, language test before completing probation. V. Combined scheme of safeguards, constitutional plus consensual. 1. Translation of government rules/notices into minority languages, greater than or equal to 15% population. 2. Minority language declared second official language if greater than or equal to 60% population speaks it. 3. Submission/reply of representations in minority languages. 4. Mother tongue instruction at primary level. 5. Instruction through minority languages at secondary level. 6. Advance registration of linguistic preference and inter-school adjustments. 7. Availability of textbooks and teachers in minority languages. 8. Implementation of 3-language formula. 9. No insistence on official language at recruitment, test later. 10. Pamphlets in minority languages explaining safeguards. 11. Proper administrative machinery at state/district levels. Thank you for joining today's session. Remember, knowledge grows when shared. Stay inspired and keep learning.